All right, so talking head videos. These are videos where it's just a talking head, kind of like this one. But today we're gonna be talking about the rig that I have. Now, I'm not a famous YouTuber. I don't have tons of money, so this is my little cheap talking head setup. Now, I'm gonna be going over the camera that I use. I'm gonna be going over the microphone, which I've already done a video on this microphone and a little unboxing. All right, so this is my talking head rig. This is everything I use to make talking head videos, okay? So when you see me like this, oh, hey, you can see everything that I have. Currently right now, I have this like little neck thing. This is a kind of a part of my rig. This is gonna help with like unboxing videos maybe, I don't know. So I can do two hands and unboxings, and this is just kind of what I gotta do to make videos. But I kind of think this is kind of cool, at least the POV. So this is what you guys are seeing. This is my room. Don't judge how messy it is. We did do this desk setup, and yeah, I've already messed it up. I mean, not messed it up, but I've already changed everything on it. And this is my desk, if you guys wanted to see that. We really need to change some of this stuff, but we'll do that later. But this is my rig. We have the monitor here, and this monitor is a Neewer monitor. I have a lot of stuff from Neewer. Neewer is kind of like a cheap company, not a cheap company. It's actually like a good monitor. Everything from Neewer is like cheap, but also good quality. We have a monitor here, and it's connected with a clamp, okay? We have the clamp here. We have an HDMI cable. I need to get a new HDMI cable for this rig, because it is just kind of like a really short HDMI cable. Really want the ones that have the tension on it, kind of like this right here, where it has tension and you're able to kind of like pull it, and it's, you know, it doesn't get as tangled. So I have some I have some Velcro cable ties to kind of keep the cable management a little bit better. And currently right now, it's looking pretty good. It's a very simple setup, and I can take and move it all around. So maybe this setup right here will maybe inspire you to make some really good setups, you know? A talking head setup yourself. I can take and move it around ever so easily. I knocked this over, but I can take, boom, angle, hey, what's good? Welcome back to the channel. I can be like, boom, angle, hey, welcome back to the channel. And I can be like, boom. You know, just moving it around is actually just very easy for me to do, and it just works really well. Now let's go over the camera. The camera is an FX30. This is the camera that we use, the Sony FX30. Kind of an expensive camera, but you could use your phone for this. You don't have to use an expensive camera like this. I only have this because I've had it for a while now, and it's just a good camera for me to use. So we have the Sigma lens, and we have our Neewer Cool True mounts up here, so I can kind of mount stuff to my camera whenever I need to. I can unplug the monitor, and we have these little mounts right here, quick release mounts. So I can move it to my tripod, move it to the tripod, angle it, boom, boom, boom. I can angle it, and then now we have a standing kind of talking head video, and I can take and move around. I can do all of this, and it's so nice, you know? I can be at the perfect angle and move around, because it's on wheels. Look at that, wheels. Okay, look, don't judge how messy my room is, okay? It's gonna get cleaned. But you know, the setup, it's kind of clean. It's kind of a clean setup. So I could move it back over here ever so quickly, and then connect this up to here, and then the monitor will turn on. It's just so good. It's just so clean, okay? So yeah, this was like a little quick video of my setup. And also one thing, the main thing, which I really didn't talk about, the tripod. Look at it. The tripod. Look at it. The tripod. It's actually the best desk tripod that I could get from Neewer. I really sound like I'm getting sponsored from Neewer. I'm not. They don't talk to me. I don't talk to them. It's just what gets advertised to me on Amazon. I'm not gonna lie. It's just what gets advertised to me on Amazon. I'm not gonna lie. But it's a great desk tripod. If you want a little desk tripod that doesn't take up a lot of space, super tiny, and you can take it anywhere, and it's very, very stable, you should get this tripod. I'll have links to everything in the description, but let me know what you guys think of this setup. Let me know if this setup is like 10 out of 10 setup for you. Like, you're gonna build something like this. Let me know if you already have something like this, and if you do talking head videos yourself. I'm kind of new to talking head videos, and you know, I'm kind of new to making videos like this. I usually make gaming videos, so I'm a gamer. Okay, let me take this off. I don't need this. I don't need this on anymore, but don't need this on anymore. This is like a little neck thing. Like, I use this and I put my phone there, boom, right here, and it records what I'm looking at. I thought it was really cool, and I've always wanted to try it. So let me know what you guys think of the setup. I got a whole bunch of quick releases. I got all kind of stuff. And also on my desk, I have this right here, which isn't a talking head thing, but this is kind of more of a kind of over the desk. It's kind of a top-down shot. So I use this and I can move it over my desk. And this right here is a camera. So let's move this up closer. This right here is a camera, which I'm gonna do a little review ski on coming soon. But this is a camera. I move it over here. I like move this whole little arm this way, and then I could get a top-down shot of my desk. So it'll look like that. It'll look like that. I need to clean off my desk, but let me know. Let me know what you guys think. I think it's pretty cool. I think it's a good kind of starter, kind of talking head type thing. I can take and put my camera virtually anywhere, and then I can take and put my camera virtually anywhere in my room and get a nice talking head kind of like video. So let me know what you guys think. I really wanna know. But we got some more tech videos coming soon, and I'll see you guys later. Peace.